Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I'm going to tell you how to make double tadka dal. For this, we have to take a bowl of split red gram and pressure cook it with 3 cloves of grated garlic, half a teaspoon of turmeric and a teaspoon of coriander seed powder, and cook it till it done. Now further, take another pan, put 2 teaspoons of oil, let it heat up. Now put half a teaspoon of mustard seed and let it crackle. Once the mustard seed is crackled, add half a teaspoon of cumin seed, then add half an inch of grated ginger, 3/4 clove of garlic, and cook it for a minute. Now add 2 green chilies and 1 medium-sized onion. Cook till onion is transparent. Now add 1 medium-sized chopped tomato. Toss it up properly. Now add salt to taste. As soon as tomato is softened, add our cooked dal. Now add water in it to make a proper consistency. Cook it for a minute. Now add coriander leaf to garnish. Remove it from gas and shift it to a bowl. Now take a small tadka pan. Add 2 teaspoons of clarified butter or ghee. Add half a teaspoon of cumin seed. Let them crackle. And now add half a teaspoon of red chili powder. And put this tadka on our cooked dal. And your double tadka dal is ready.